In this video, we will review the steps necessary to receive a payment to a wallet. To receive a payment, you need to provide the payer with your recipient ID in the first place. To do so, you need to open a corresponding wallet. In this video, we are reviewing the incoming Bitcoin transaction, so we will be entering the Bitcoin wallet. To initiate the procedure of receiving a payment, tap the Receive button. You can now choose between two options of how to send a payment request: plain text Bitcoin address or a QR code. On this screen, you can also modify the amount of coins you are requesting. It is also automatically recalculated into the currency of choice. This convenient feature allows requesting of a payment in any currency, recalculating to the currency of the wallet you are requesting to transfer to. Please note that a QR code is changed each time a change to a transfer request is made. Now let's have a look at both scenarios. Option 1. To use the plain text ID option, tap the Copy button and send the ID to the clipboard. You can then provide this code to a payer via any preferable channel, such as email, messenger, apps, and so on. There is also an option to send the code to a contact directly in the channel's chat, if the person you're contacting is a channel's user. The payer receives the target ID and can now use it to send the Bitcoins. Option 2. To request a payment via the QR code, tap the Share button and create a copy of the code. Then select the preferable delivery option. Please note that available options may vary depending on the apps installed on your device. Once done, the QR code gets embedded into the message to be sent. When the message arrives, the recipient needs to scan the code and confirm the transfer. Note that, like a plain text ID, that not only does the QR code contain the target wallet, but also the amount of coins to be transferred. Once the sender has initiated the transfer and the transaction is processed by the corresponding blockchain, the requested funds arrive in your wallet. The transaction is displayed in the transaction history section while the balance gets updated.